How to recover the PIN and PUK of your electronic identity card. After downloading and opening the app, you'll find yourself on this screen. Click on the hamburger menu in the top left. Now go to Card Management and then Unlock Card. At this point, if you don't have the PUK, click on Recover. Now you'll need your physical electronic identity card and a mobile number or email address. Once you have everything ready, make sure your phone's NFC is enabled and click Continue. Hold your identity card close to your phone and hold it close until the upload is complete. Enter the identity card serial number here, you'll find it in the top right. Then click Continue. Enter an email address or mobile number associated with the card. This is usually requested by your municipality when you physically request the card. Once entered, click Continue. Now the first part of the procedure is complete. As described here, after 48 hours you will receive a text or email depending on what you enter to complete the recovery. This is an example of the message you will receive, with a link inside. Click it and wait for the app to open. A unique ODT code will be generated. After entering it, the PUK will appear. Copy it and save it somewhere, we'll need it later and you might need it in the future. Now go to Reset PIN. A screen will appear where you can set a PIN. Okay, now we've retrieved the PUK and PIN. Now let's generate the login credentials. Click Activate Now. Have your PIN and PUK handy and click Configure. Enter the required PUK digits. Verify your mobile number, go ahead and enter the OTP. Go ahead and now choose your login password. I accept the information and continue. All you have to do is choose how to authorize online access. It is recommended to choose access with the CIEID app. The credentials are also now active.